Have you ever dreamed of starting your own online store without the hassle of inventory or shipping? Well, today's the day your dream becomes a reality. We're diving deep into AliDropship, a powerful tool that can turn your e-commerce ambitions into a thriving business. Imagine waking up every morning to the sound of your online store generating sales while you're still sipping your coffee. Sounds too good to be true, right? But with AliDropship, it's not only possible, but it's incredibly achievable. 1. Understanding AliDropship. What is AliDropship? It's a plugin that connects your WordPress website to AliExpress, allowing you to import products, set your own prices, and fulfill orders without ever touching a single item. Benefits: no inventory, never worry about stocking products. Dropshipping: AliExpress handles shipping and fulfillment. Customization: create a unique online store. Automation: streamline your business processes. Getting started: choose a domain. Select a memorable name for your store. Install WordPress. Set up your website's foundation. Install AliDropship. Download and activate the plugin. 2. Setting up your store. Theme selection: choose a theme that aligns with your brand and niche. Customizing your store. Logo and branding: create a consistent look for your store. Homepage design: organize your content effectively. Product pages: showcase products with compelling descriptions and images. SEO optimization: keyword research: identify relevant search terms. On-page optimization: optimize titles, meta descriptions, and content. SEO plugins: use tools to improve your search rankings. 3. Importing products from AliExpress. Product search: find products that match your niche and target audience. Importing products: bulk import: import multiple products at once. Manual import: import products individually. Product variations: create different options for each product. Price optimization: set competitive prices while maintaining profitability. 4. Setting up payment and shipping. Payment gateways: integrate popular payment options like PayPal, Stripe, and credit cards. Shipping options: shipping rates: set shipping costs based on weight, dimensions, or destination. Shipping carriers: choose reliable shipping services. Shipping automation: use AliDropship's automation features to streamline shipping processes. 5. Marketing your store. Social media marketing: promote your products on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Content marketing: create valuable content, blogs, videos, to attract and engage customers. Email marketing: build an email list and send targeted campaigns. Paid advertising: consider using platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads to reach a wider audience. 6. Managing orders and customer support. Order management: track orders, process refunds, and handle customer inquiries. Customer support: provide excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty. Dispute resolution: address any issues that may arise between you and your customers. 7. Scaling your business. Expanding your product range. Introduce new products to cater to different customer needs. Niche targeting: focus on a specific niche to build a loyal customer base. Team building: consider hiring employees to handle increased workload. Automation tools: explore additional tools to automate tasks and improve efficiency. With AliDropship, the dream of owning an online store is within reach. By following these steps and leveraging the power of this platform, you can create a successful e-commerce business that generates passive income while you enjoy life's other adventures. Ready to start your online store? Visit AliDropship's website today and begin your journey to entrepreneurial success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy dropshipping.